Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we will explore the world of brave lumberjacks and their highly skilled work. Get ready to witness professional wood cutting techniques and learn valuable safety tips. Let's get started. Removing dead trees in the forest is essential to make space for other trees to grow. These decaying giants pose a potential danger to hikers as they can collapse at any time. It seems like his last wish wasn't like that. Oh my god, the car was completely destroyed because the big tree fell down. Sometimes things don't go according to plan. You just have to accept it and fix it. Warning, this cedar just put on a fire show that scared the loggers. This is its last. Very dangerous. The process of moving and cutting down trees in a large residential area is extremely difficult, requiring high accuracy in assessing the height of the tree, the diameter of the trunk, the natural inclination, and most importantly, the safe distance from people around. Even with all your experience, nature always keeps you humble. Step back and stay safe. Luck or skill, I'm glad the house was okay. It's scary, everything was perfect, but I don't understand why he ran towards danger. Luckily, this accident didn't happen to him. Who would have thought that a tree could knock down a car like that? Oh my god. This guy is definitely trying a new creative idea of converting a car into a truck without going bankrupt. Never be complacent with such a dangerous job. The small guy cutting down a giant tree is not as simple as you think. It requires the lumberjack to have knowledge, skills, and strength. These skills must be honed and performed with high precision, because even a small mistake can lead to accidents. Cutting down one tree is tiring enough, but here he solves 3 problems at once. What a great show! Oh, what a docile tree. Maybe this guy negotiated with the tree before cutting it down, and the tree agreed to fall in the right place. He won't need a cart to push this job if he has good technique. Watching a professional fell a large tree is like watching a performance. Every saw stroke is precise and gentle, but you can't help but feel nervous as the large tree falls. Oh shit, looks like the prediction was right. Time for that house to get some care and repair. It feels like nature has pre-planned its goals and can replace its morality. The house will now surely remember. first knock. The knock was just an attempt to knock to see if anyone was home. Oh, how many years do you think it has stood there to develop until now? Leave your thoughts in the comment section below. Your feedback gives us more motivation to create the next videos. My lesson. Oh my God. The tree must have wanted to express his intense love in a special way. But it seems the house doesn't really agree with this kind of hug. Felling trees in densely populated areas comes with significant risks. Even a small mistake can lead to serious consequences. The first step in felling a tree is to carefully assess the height of the tree trunk, the diameter of the trunk, the natural inclination, and most importantly, the safe distance from neighboring structures. Oh, too close, too dangerous. One fraction of a second slower, and could have taken the head of the tree. This video will answer that question for you. It's like a war between man and nature, a small lumberjack and his giant friend. Your time is up. Your old friend may be over. I did it. Take your picture. Surprisingly, the tree looks sturdy, but inside it is like a time bomb waiting to explode at the last minute. Hats off to those who are brave and tough enough to keep the wood flowing. He was impressed to see the steel chainsaw easily handle a large oak log. The power and performance of this saw is truly remarkable, proving its superior ability in cutting large diameter tree trunks. This is definitely the top choice for professional logging jobs that require high productivity work.